In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get API key from GitHub. First, you can see I opened GitHub on my MacBook. I need to click on now, profile, again setting. Scroll down to the last moment, you will see developer option. Just click developer setting and again click personal access and token or token classic. I click on, then generate new token, then generate new token, again click, and here the to set up a name. I just going to set up this name. You can write anything on here. On description you can see this name already taken, so and we just change us some word. You can see it's already available. Now resource owner, you need to set up a name. When you have multiple users on GitHub, you need to set up one profile. So I set up this one. Then this is expiration date. This is start date. If you want to set up, it's a 90-day and no expiration. So I set up this one. But GitHub strongly recommends to set up a expiration date. I want to keep up its 90-day. Again, repository access, public repositories, all repositories, and only secret repositories. So you can select one, which one you want to prefer. I select public. Now then click on generate token. That's it. My token are ready for view. You can see this is a API key. Just copy and you can use anywhere. So this is the method how can get API key from GitHub. Thanks for watching. See you again.